All right, one more quick Huawei update from yesterday's episode. We talked about how all of a sudden they're shipping laptops with Linux, and the Linux crowd got real excited about that. I got a couple comments and tweets. People were like, Lou, you got to try Linux. They were like, you don't understand. You're going to love it, and so forth. So the Linux people, they're out. They're cheering. They got the pom-poms, rightfully so. That's what they love. And on cue, yesterday, I was like, all right, Bill, time for a meeting. You better head to visit Trump. Remember, they were going to have pizza or KFC. I can't remember what they were going to do. Well, it's not Bill Gates because, he's chilling these days. Obviously, philanthropy, whatever it is you do when you're, whatever you do when you're Bill Gates, you understand? But the president, on the other hand, what is his name? I didn't even know this guy was the president of Microsoft, Brad Smith. He went public here. Microsoft president seeks to end the U.S. tech ban. So right on cue, you see that Willie do? He's gonna have the KFC and the Pizza Hut instead of Bill. But nonetheless, it's the same strategy that I had originally imagined. He says, "Look, we gotta get over this. We can't draw this line here, an iron curtain down the Pacific Ocean. Now we can't do that." That's his words. And it's obvious what his motivation would be here. You got the Huawei laptops. They start shipping with Linux. People start to be like, Linux is, that's all right. I can live.
Right.
And people start living like that or gravitating towards, I don't know, what else is there? Chromebooks. And I don't know. There's things that don't involve Microsoft that exist in the universe.
Brad Smith is like, hey, now.
Yeah, Brad Smith. That's exactly right. Brad Smith is like, I'm here. I'm a guy in the world. Willie Doo's not the only guy in the world. I'm a guy in the world. I got a microphone. It touches my cheek. I got this collared shirt. It was dry cleaned this morning. I got the checker pattern on the coat. My wife helped me pick it. You understand how this goes, Will? There's a lot that goes into the daily life. It's very stressful. You're an executive.
Yeah.
And so he's like, okay, China, not a huge market for us. Believe it or not. Microsoft, it's not a huge market for them percentage-wise, apparently, according to this article. It's coming via the BBC.com, by the way. But you can sense there's concern for the future in general if the precedent gets set that, that you can flip-flop around on these operating systems, and maybe it doesn't have to be Microsoft. And so the more of these units that ship with Linux, the worse it is for them. So he's in there. He's looking for Trump. He wants to put an end to it, and we'll see if that works out. It probably won't do much at this point. It doesn't look like anybody's had too much luck really reversing this thing. But anyway, he ain't going to stop trying, and he wants Windows on those laptops. He wants Windows on every laptop. You understand? That's his mission. He buttons up the shirt. That's the deal. Windows on every laptop. You understand that, Will?
Yeah. One button down, though.
Because he can have a good time. He's relatable. Yeah. It's no tie. It's you can approach me.
Yeah.
Like I put some effort in, but you can approach me.
Little bit of shaggy hair.
Yeah, you can approach me still.
Not coiffed.
I'm in Seattle.
Yeah.
Because it's Microsoft, so I'm in Seattle as well. So I'm drinking coffee and things.
Yeah.
And you can
meet me at the coffee shop.
You can approach me.